Ever pondered over the question, what makes your digital watch tick or your car's navigation system guide you to your destination? The hidden hero behind these technological marvels is what we call embedded systems. These systems, though often overlooked, are the backbone of many devices we use daily. Embedded systems are everywhere. From microwaves to traffic lights, from pacemakers to space rovers, these systems are the driving force. They are computing systems, but they're not what you typically envision when you think of a computer. They're not desktops, laptops, or even smartphones. They're smaller, more specialized systems embedded into larger devices to perform specific tasks. Take your car's anti-lock braking system, for instance. It's an embedded system designed to prevent your brakes from locking up when you slam on them. It's a small part of your car, but it plays a crucial role in keeping you safe on the road. Or consider a digital camera. It's an embedded system that captures and processes images. It's not just a lens and a shutter. There's a computer in there, running software designed to help you take the best pictures possible. And let's not forget about your home's thermostat. This little device is an embedded system that monitors and controls your home's temperature. It's constantly processing data, making decisions based on the information it receives from its sensors. The complexity of embedded systems stems from their wide-ranging applications. Each system is uniquely designed to perform its task within the constraints of its host device. They must be small, efficient, and able to operate independently. They must also be reliable, as many embedded systems are responsible for critical functions. The intricacy of these systems is further compounded by their need to interact with the physical world. Unlike your desktop computer, which primarily interacts with humans, embedded systems often need to process data from sensors and control physical devices. This interaction with the real world introduces a whole new layer of complexity and unpredictability. In essence, embedded systems are the silent workhorses of our modern world. They're complex, versatile, and indispensable. They're in our homes, our cars, our workplaces, and even our bodies. They process data, make decisions, and control devices, all while operating seamlessly in the background. So, the next time you set your digital watch or use your car's navigation system, remember the intricate and powerful embedded system working behind the scenes to make it all possible.